Welcome to Pragmatic. Today we will see the advanced manufacturing app of Pragmatic. The first key feature is added the dependencies between each operation and raise the valuation without completing the dependent operations, which means I added the dependencies in my operations. For example, if I open the operations, so I have three operations. This is the real-time example. I'm planning to I'm planning to create a process manufacturing of the vanilla ice cream. First is mixing, churning, and freezing. These are all the three operations I'm planning. So you see the churning process that I we are added as a dependency, that is mixing. The next, for completing this freezing operation, I need to complete the mixing and churning operations. Normally, what happened? Would not allow it allowed to do that next process without completing the previous one. So for that, we are adding this dependency plan. So for example, if I open the manufacturing order, I create a new manufacturing order. I add the product here. So if you see after this addition, every component will be automated. Now I save this particular record and I need to confirm this. Okay, I confirmed. So here I try to start instead of mixing, I try to start the churning process. System give me the alert. First to complete the mixing, then start the current process. And also I try to go for freezing. System give me the another alert. First to complete the mixing and churning, then start the current process. So after completing this first mixing process, then system allowed you to do that next process. So this is the dependency process we are added here. Okay, and the next thing I complete this. Okay, I just pass it. Okay, fine. Now it's in the in progress state. Okay, now the next point is restrict to produce the finished product without the completion of work orders. Now the work orders are not completed. If I try to click produce all, system give me the validation error. You must complete all the work order and then produce all button before you mark as a. So system give me the alert. So you should complete all the work orders. Then only system allowed to close this particular manufacturing order. So now if you click produce all, now system allowed to close this particular manufacturing order. So this is the second point, that is restrict to produce the finished product without the completion of work order. Third one, added the dynamic weights of the finished products. So I just create another manufacturing order, just to select the product. So now you see automatically the weight will be calculated. How much weight I am planning to produce. Okay, for one quantities. If I add 25 quantities, then automatically the weight will be increased. The weight we are taken from the voodoo vanilla ice cream. If I go to this particular product in the inventory, it taken the 10 kgs from here. Based on this, it will be calculated. This is also be added as a new feature, the advanced manufacturing order. Okay, now this is be done. The next one, simplify the BOM creation instead of manually adding the components. We are doing some simplification in the bill of materials. For example, normally what happen, you need to add a line and select from here, and it's go from here and need to search. There is a lot of works are there. So instead of that, we are simply select the product from here. Just click the select products. So it moved to here, just add a line. So you don't need to enter anything, just search from here. So for example, essence. So vanilla essence, just to select this. So if I need multiple products also, you select, I just show you the example. I need a milk, just to select it, and it comes here and click OK. That's it. So this is the improvement we are doing in the bill of material. So easily select the components instead of select manually and entering. It will be the simplification done in the BOM. And cancellation of the manufacturing order, update all the transactions. This is very important concept. Normally using our cancellation button. So for example, if I go here, already done, I need to take anything done. Okay. So here I need to go to 15th one. So you are able to see this manufacturing order is created, and also I open the stock movements, and it will be more clear the inventory, the reporting, most history. I just paste this here as a reference. So you are able to see this is already done. We manufactured this particular product 0015 WH stock to virtual location. These are all the raw materials. We are consumed these items, and this is the finished product we done. Okay. Now what I am doing, I just cancel this particular record using cancel button. If you cancel this, then what happen? The reverse process will happen. Okay, just to click the cancel button. Done. The particular manufacturing order is cancelled, and it's covered in the logs also. You see in the moves history also. Yes, you see the reverse process are happen. What happened? So here it's in the reverse process. So whatever we are getting from virtual location to WH stock, the same thing, everything will be the reverse process here. You are able to see the previous transactions are cancelled, whatever we done previously, and the new entries are created. You see, it's a reverse process, virtual location to WH stock. Okay. Now the components are back to the location. Whatever we manufacture, it's go back to the virtual location production. Okay. Now this is the way we are able to handle the cancellation process. So overall, this is our advanced manufacturing module. Thanks for watching.